Have you been drinking any alcohol today?
No, sir.
No? Oh. There's a twisted tea. I'm going to take. Oh, and some vodkas.
Two Svedka.
I'm going to take a picture of those.
Oh, and there's right there. What I'm saying is, my kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Why would you put your kids in the trunk?
On January 23, 2026, a Westminster police officer initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle performing donut turns in a parking lot and running multiple stop signs. What followed was a DUI arrest that uncovered 3 children hidden in the trunk of the vehicle in approximately 8-degree weather. This body camera footage was released by the Westminster Police Department.
Any idea why I'm stopping you today?
Because I was acting like an idiot.
Did you have anything to drink today?
Earlier today.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. I'm going to put you on the ground if you turn and try to fight.
No. My kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah. What are you guys doing?
Okay. Well, now go ahead and step over here. Hi there.
Hello.
I'm Officer Kessler of the Westminster Police Department. Any idea why I'm stopping you today?
Because I was acting like an idiot.
Yeah, huge in that parking lot. You're lucky you didn't hit somebody. And then you blew through the stop sign as well. Both of them, one right at the building and then one to come onto the roadway. You have your insurance and registration as well.
I do not.
Okay. All right. Have you been drinking any alcohol today?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So why are we driving like that in the parking lot?
This is a rental, and I'm like, I was just messing around with it.
Okay. Are you sure you haven't drank any alcohol? Because I got a smell of alcohol coming from the vehicle right now.
No, sir. It's my,
Your Zens? So Zens are supposed to, they smell like alcohol, or? Okay, that's interesting, because I've got plenty of buddies that use those, and none of them ever smell like alcohol. Would you be willing to do some voluntary roadside maneuvers today?
yes, sir.
All right, give me a second. Where are you coming from?
Work
Where do you work at?
down in Denver.
Okay, no, I know. Why were you doing donuts in the?
I don't know.
In the.
I usually have a truck.
Okay. All right. What's a good phone number for you? Okay. Let me have the keys real quick, and then go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Is that push to start? Okay. Okay. Give me a second. You can roll a window up to, if you'd like. All right. I'll have you step out real quick. Just face the car so I can pat you down. You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. All right. Let's go ahead and step over here. I got a bunch of questions for you real quick, and then we'll get going. Do you have a jacket in the car that we can grab you?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's a little chilly out here. I don't want you. Just grab the jacket, and then I just want to make sure you don't have any weapons in the jacket. Perfect. I appreciate it. That way you're not in a t-shirt, man, because I know it's chilly. So I just want to confirm. You're saying you have not drank any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Because you got a smell of alcohol coming from you. All right. Honesty is going to be your best policy. Okay. Did you have anything to drink today?
Earlier today.
When?
Leaving work. I don't even know.
What time is? Do you even know what time it is? What time did you leave work today? You don't even know. Okay.
6:30.
A little off. All right. So I just got a bunch of questions for you. What's your highest level of education?
I have a bachelor's.
Okay. When you said you had alcohol to drink today, what did you have to drink?
2 shooters.
2 shooters. Okay. What kind of shooters were they?
99s.
Like 99 bananas, 99?
Yeah.
What kind was like 99 what?
I don't even remember.
Okay. You have any medical problems, anything like that? Anything that would cause you to not be able to balance, walk, or anything like that? Any injuries?
No.
No. Okay. Any physical defects along those lines? Okay. Are you sick or injured right now? No? Okay. Are you taking any medication right now? What are you taking? On any of those medications, does it say don't drink alcohol with them? Okay. All right. You wear any contacts?
Yep.
Soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft. Okay. All right. When's the last time you ate anything?
Probably, what was it? I had 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Okay.
And,
About how long ago did you eat?
it was noon.
Okay. All right. How much sleep did you have last night?
I didn't sleep.
No sleep?
No.
Okay. So when's the last time you did sleep?
It was last night, but it was not a lot.
Okay.
Like 3 hours, dude.
Okay.
It was like on and off.
All right. So the first test I'm going to run you through, it's just checking your eyes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is with your eyes and your eyes only, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger. You can see the tip of my finger, right? Okay. Put your feet together first. Hands down to your side, outside your pocket. If you need to slide your hands into your sleeves to keep your hands warm, I'm okay with that. If you want to do that real quick, just so that way your hands stay warm. Do you want to do that or do you want your hands out? Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, just follow the tip of my finger, okay? You understand? Okay. All the way, follow the tip of my finger. Okay. Yep. It's just going to go up just a little bit. You're okay?
Blink.
Yeah, go ahead and blink real quick. All right, just one more up top, okay? Just 2 more passes. All right. Go ahead and, so you're going to imagine that there's a line right here, okay? You're going to put your left foot on the line, right foot on the line, right in front of it with your heel touching like this, with your hands down to your side, okay? Go ahead and get in this position. Stay in that position until I tell you to, okay? This one's called the walk and turn. This one's going to be 9 heel to toe steps straight out. You're going to stay in that position.
Just like nervous, man.
Okay. Well, if you're fine, you don't have anything to worry about. I promise. These tests are subjective to people that are under the influence. If you were completely sober, you'll be able to pass these tests. Okay? There's lots of studies with these, okay? Put your feet like this, hands down to the side, get in this position that I'm in right here. Yep, stay in that position right there, hands down to the side. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps out and then 9 heel to toe steps back. After you get to your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot on the ground, take a series of small steps, turn yourself around, 9 heel to toe steps back, and it's going to look like this. I'm going to take 3 steps, you're going to take 9. 1, 2, 3. Series of small steps. Don't start. You're going to do 9. 1, 2, 3. You're going to take 9 steps. I only took 3 to show you what it's done, okay? You're going to get in that position again with your heel touching like this. You're going to look down at your feet and count down each step when you do this. When you get to your 9th step, series of small steps, turn yourself around, 9 heel to toe steps back. Once you start the test, do not stop until you're completed with the test.
None.
You don't want to complete these?
No.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Put
your hands. I'm going to put you on the ground if you turn and try to fight me.
No, I'm not fighting. No. It's even worse.
Questions?
No, it's even worse.
You can ask questions here in a second.
What's even worse? Stop flexing up.
I'm not.
Relax, dude.
Dude, I'm not fighting. What I'm saying is, my kids are in the trunk.
They're in the trunk?
Yeah.
Why the f are they in the trunk?
Because they're like, Dad, can we get in the trunk and go fast for us? So it's even worse.
331, one in custody.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why would you put your kids in the trunk?
Because we're going right here.
Is that why you're driving like a in the parking lot?
Yeah.
How old are you? So you have 3 kids hiding in the trunk.
Yes.
Call for check 221 225.
Here, if you want to, that way you can.
Please hold on 17 Pedro.
Here, let me put them in the back of my car. I'll pick them.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. Well, now go ahead and step over here.
Good.
You didn't think that would have been a good idea to say something before?
Seen about a minute ago. She's concerned. Copy. We'll both be around. Can you break for traffic stop? Yeah, go ahead. 72 in Central. David, Ida, Tom, Paul 09. David, Ida, Tom, Paul 09.
Who's a responsible adult that could come get the kids?
Nick.
In the back.
Nick Collier.
Take a seat.
My best friend, he lives right up the street.
Okay.
Do you need a phone number?
We'll figure all that in a sec.
The traffic stop itself was legally sound under Terry versus Ohio. The officer directly observed reckless driving and traffic violations, providing clear, probable cause. Upon contact, the officer detected the odor of alcohol, observed bloodshot eyes, and noted inconsistent statements from the driver, who initially denied drinking before eventually admitting to consuming 2 shooters of 99 brand liquor. These observations, combined with the driving behavior, established sufficient probable cause for a DUI investigation under Colorado Revised Statute Section 42-4-1301. The officer administered the horizontal gaze nystagmus test following National Highway Traffic Safety Administration protocols and observed 6 out of 6 possible clues of impairment. NHTSA research indicates that 4 or more clues correlate with a 77% probability of a blood alcohol content at or above 0.08%. The driver then refused to complete the walk and turn test, prompting the officer to proceed with arrest. That decision was well supported. The totality of evidence, reckless driving, alcohol odor, bloodshot eyes, the admission of drinking, maximum HGN clues, and test refusal provided more than sufficient grounds under the Fourth Amendment. After the arrest, the driver refused both blood and breath testing. Under Colorado's Express Consent Statute, Section 42-4-1301.1, any person who drives on Colorado roads is deemed to have consented to chemical testing when an officer has probable cause for a DUI arrest. Refusal triggers automatic license revocation for up to 1 year. Critically, the refusal itself is admissible as evidence at trial. The Supreme Court affirmed in Birchfield v. North Dakota that states may impose administrative penalties for breath test refusals. Colorado's statute remains consistent with that holding. Even without a numerical blood alcohol result, the prosecution retains a strong evidentiary foundation. The officer's observations, the driver's own admissions, the field sobriety results, the refusal of chemical testing, and the physical evidence, multiple empty alcohol containers recovered from the vehicle, including 2 Svedka vodka bottles, a Twisted Tea, a Fireball shooter, and peppermint schnapps, collectively provide substantial proof of impairment beyond the 2 shooters the driver admitted to consuming. The most serious charges arise under Colorado Revised Statute Section 18-6-401, the child abuse statute. Under this law, a person commits child abuse if they permit a child to be unreasonably placed in a situation that poses a threat of injury to the child's life or health. 3 children were placed unrestrained in the trunk of a sedan, no seatbelts, no airbag protection, no heat, while the vehicle was operated recklessly by an intoxicated driver in single-digit temperatures. Each factor independently constitutes unreasonable endangerment. Combined, the case is overwhelming. The charges were filed per child 3 counts, where no injury results and the act is committed knowingly or recklessly. Each count is a Class 2 misdemeanor. Colorado classifies child abuse as an extraordinary risk crime, subjecting it to enhanced sentencing ranges.
All right, so here's the deal. State of Colorado, by operating a motor vehicle on the roads already, you've given your express consent for a blood or breath test today. Would you be willing to do a blood or breath test? No? Okay. So that way is a refusal. With a refusal, there will be other administrative fees, fines, and stuff like that, and your license will be revoked for up to a year, okay? And then, so you're also going to be charged with 3 counts of child abuse and the DUI, all right? Who's their mother?
Her name's Katie Raiola.
Katie?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have her phone number?
I don't know it.
Okay.
Do you live with the brother too, Matt? Your kids are saying that you live with your own.
It's my cousin. Yeah.
Cousin.
Yeah.
He lives with you guys.
Yes.
Can he drive?
He's he's not here right now.
Okay.
He's in Missouri.
So we can contact. So would we be able to contact mom so she can come get the kids?
No.
Who? Because otherwise,
my best friend Nick is right up there.
well, they're not. He's not parent or guardian, so we need to. I need to get in touch with mom because she's going to get the first option to get the kids, but I need a phone number for her. We can grab your phone.
Okay.
All right, we're going to grab that. Anything else out of the vehicle that's important property, anything like that? Because I saw there's a computer in that duffel bag. You don't want that because we can book it in. You won't be able to take it with, but it's either that or it's going to stay in the vehicle. Okay. Just because I don't want it to be in plain sight, I'm going to throw all your stuff in the trunk. Just so that way it's out of sight, out of mind, okay? All right. Yeah, grab your backpacks, your tablets, anything that's yours. And then we're going to get you guys to the police department where it's warm until we figure out. Do you guys have your mom's phone number? Do you know your mom's number?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to give her a call so she can come pick you up, okay?
Okay.
And then once you guys get all your stuff, we can get you back to the police department where it's going to be nice and warm.
Better than my car.
Yeah, because that car is not going to be. And then don't forget your crickets.
The car keys on the.
I'll just throw those in the back too. It's legally parked, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm not. Oh. There's a twisted tea. I'm going to take. Oh, and some vodkas. I'm going to take a picture of those.
Oh, there's pop right there.
I'm just going to throw these on the roof real quick. That's completely empty. All right. Go and step out for me. I'm going to step around this car here in a second.
I'm sorry, what?
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Hey.
Just here, face the car real quick. All right, go ahead and step this way. Step to your right to the shiny table. Come this way. As long as you continue to be chill, I'll take the handcuffs off, all right? All right, leave your hand right there. Yep. So this is the spiel that I just gave everybody. These handcuffs can go back on. As long as you continue to be cooperative and compliant with me, they can stay off. Okay? Just take a seat for me. You're good. Take a seat.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Officer William Kessler receives a grade of A-. The investigation was systematic and legally sound at every stage. The HGN administration followed NHTSA protocol. The express consent advisement was properly delivered. His response to the trunk discovery was immediate and child-focused, securing the minors, arranging warm shelter, contacting Child Protective Services, and locating a parent. He also demonstrated professionalism throughout, offering the driver a jacket in freezing conditions and removing handcuffs at the jail when compliance was established. The minor deduction reflects that no inquiry was made about passengers prior to arrest, though this is not standard DUI protocol. Thomas Michael Raiola receives a grade of F. He drove under the influence. He placed 3 children unrestrained in a trunk. He drove recklessly with those children inside. He lied about drinking. He refused testing. Physical evidence contradicted his claims. He disclosed the children's presence only after arrest, meaning they remained in the freezing trunk throughout the entire roadside investigation. The only mitigating factor is that he eventually told officers, potentially preventing a far worse outcome. It does not change the grade. For those watching, there are clear takeaways from this encounter. For law enforcement, this case demonstrates why thorough documentation matters. Even without a blood alcohol number, a well-built DUI case, relying on officer observations, admissions, field sobriety results, and physical evidence can stand on its own. For the public, express consent. Refusal does not protect a driver. It creates additional penalties, and the refusal itself becomes evidence. And for parents, no amount of fun justifies placing children in a situation where a single mistake could end their lives. A trunk is not a passenger compartment. It has no restraints, no ventilation, and no survivability in a crash. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.